Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add NFC to Apple Wallet. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Shortcuts app, and then what you need to do is come here and click on Automation, and we're going to go to this page and click on New Automation. Now, if you are going to go ahead and scan something with the NFC reader itself, this is how you go about this. You come here, just click on search, type in NFC, and then I want you to tap here on this one under personal automation. So then what you want to do is go ahead and set this up. So when there's an NFT tag, you scan it, it will run after confirmation. Then you just click here on scan and it will begin scanning. So you just hold your device near the NFC tag. So you have enabled this now. It will work next time as well. But if you are trying to add this to Apple Wallet specifically, Apple actually restricts and reserves the wallet's full NFC capabilities for trusted partners like banks, transit systems, and specific key providers to ensure user security. But as long as you have this one enabled, you'll be able to scan those. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.